says that she is having hard days. She's been praying and making dua, but it seems that her prayers have not been accepted. She says, I am so depressed. Is there anything I could do? I'm lost of hope and faith. Allah does not burden a soul beyond what it can bear, but it feels it's a test that I cannot handle. Please advise, be sincerely, anything that I can load off pressure. First of all, Bushra, this life we live in is a test. All those who were tested before us are not here anymore. They're dead. Generation after generation, since Adam, peace be upon him, till the present time, people come and go. Some of them managed to pass the exam, and their tests and exams were very difficult. But they managed to pass, and they're dead now. And they are being blessed in their graves, anticipating and waiting for the day of judgment to enter paradise for good, for eternity. Others have failed the test, and they are living miserably in their graves. Whatever calamity we see on earth is negligible compared to what awaits a person in his grave if he fails the test. Now, a calamity strikes you. You can whine, you can cry, you can complain, you can bang your head in the wall. The calamity will remain, and you will be sinful. But you can be patient, you can be content, you can have the conviction that whatever is happening, Allah Azza wa Jal has decreed it, and I will be rewarded for it. The calamity may remain and may be removed, but eventually you will have the greatest reward with Allah Azza wa Jal. So depend on Allah, show Allah Azza wa Jal content, and pray to Allah dua that He would remove this away from you, and inshallah things would improve. Motor